everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I use some Rit Dye to dye my shirts. Alright, so quickly let's go through the materials you're going to need. You're going to need like a white shirt or a sweatshirt, pants, whatever color you want to do or whatever you want to dye, that's what you're going to need. I also bought obviously the dye itself, so this is from the brand Rit, and in this video I'm using the color Pearl Gray, and I also bought the color Stay Dye Fixative just so it can retain the color longer. You're also going to need some empty bottles to mix the dye and store the product in. Also, you're going to need some gloves and some rubber bands so you can tie up the shirt. And I actually used this basin to kind of store the shirt while it was drying and when I would need it to wash out the water. You also need salt. Apparently, based on the instructions, that's what I did. And you're going to see how I mixed the dye and dyed my shirt. So just keep on watching.
So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking 2 cups of water and pouring it into the mason jar, and then I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of the dye as well as 1 tablespoon of salt. So you're going to mix it up and then pour them into your empty bottles. So after that, we're going to take the t-shirt and soak it in water and squeeze out any excess water. After that, I'm just kind of bunching up the shirt and tying rubber bands all over the shirt. It's gonna look a little bit something like this, and my sister just went in straight for the product and started spraying it all over the shirt. And I'm basically doing the same thing. So if you want it darker in certain areas, you would just spray more of the product there. So after that, I went in with the Rit Color Stay Dye Fixative. I actually mixed this with a little bit of water and applied it all over the shirt. So after we let the shirt sit out in the sun for about an hour, we washed the shirt and rinsed it out just to make sure there was no more dye. And then you're going to want to take out all the rubber bands and throw it in the wash. And ta-da! That's basically the finished result. Thanks for watching!